Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that many people think about at the beginning of every new year: how to change their life for the better. When a new year begins, people often feel a sense of hope. They promise themselves that this year will be different. They plan to work harder, become healthier, learn new skills, and build a happier life. But as the weeks pass, many people slowly return to their old habits. The motivation they felt at the beginning of the year begins to fade. The goals they once felt excited about start to feel difficult or distant. This happens to millions of people every year, and it often leaves them feeling disappointed in themselves. The truth is that changing your life is not about making huge, dramatic changes overnight. Real change rarely happens that way. Instead, a better life is usually built through small actions repeated consistently over time. A person does not transform their life in one day. They transform it through the habits they practice every day. Many people believe that a better life requires extraordinary talent, perfect opportunities, or huge amounts of money. But in reality, many meaningful changes begin with simple decisions and small daily improvements. The way you think, the way you spend your time, and the habits you choose can slowly shape the direction of your life. In this video, we will explore 6 simple steps that can help you change your life for the better in 2026. These ideas are not complicated, and they do not require perfection. But if you understand them and apply them patiently, they can slowly create powerful changes in the way you live, think, and experience your life. While you listen to this video, you are also practicing your English listening skills in a natural and meaningful way. If you enjoy learning English through thoughtful stories and ideas like this, consider subscribing and joining us for more videos that help you grow your language and your mindset at the same time. Now let us begin with the first step. The first step to changing your life is gaining clarity about what you truly want. Many people feel stuck in life because they are not sure where they want to go. They move through their days reacting to situations instead of creating direction for themselves. Without a clear direction, it becomes very easy to waste time, energy, and potential. Imagine trying to travel to a new city without knowing its name or location. You could drive for hours or even days without ever reaching your destination. Life works in a similar way. When you do not know what kind of life you want to build, your efforts often become scattered and unfocused. Clarity does not mean that you must plan every detail of your future. It simply means taking time to think about the kind of person you want to become and the kind of life you want to create. You might ask yourself simple questions such as, what skills do I want to develop this year? What habits do I want to improve? What kind of lifestyle would make me feel proud and fulfilled? When you take time to reflect on these questions, something powerful begins to happen. Your mind becomes more focused. Your decisions become more intentional. Instead of moving through life randomly, you begin moving with purpose. Clarity also helps you recognize opportunities that match your goals. When you know what you want, you start noticing paths that can lead you closer to it. Your energy becomes more directed, and your daily actions start supporting your long-term vision. The second step to improving your life is building small daily habits. Many people believe that success and happiness come from big actions or dramatic moments. But most long-term change actually comes from small behaviors repeated every day. Think about habits like reading, exercising, learning new skills, or practicing gratitude. None of these activities may seem very powerful on a single day. But when they are repeated consistently for weeks, months, and years, they begin to shape your character and your future. For example, reading just 10 pages of a book every day may not feel like much. But after 1 year, that small habit can allow you to finish several books and gain a huge amount of knowledge. The same principle applies to many areas of life. Small improvements may feel slow in the beginning, but over time they create powerful results. One of the reasons habits are so important is because they reduce the need for constant motivation. When a behavior becomes a habit, you no longer need to force yourself to do it every day. It becomes part of your normal routine. Building good habits requires patience and consistency. At first, it may feel difficult to change your routine. But if you focus on small steps instead of overwhelming goals, you can slowly reshape the patterns of your daily life. The third step to changing your life is managing your time more wisely. Time is one of the most valuable resources you have, yet many people spend large parts of their day without realizing where their time goes. Modern life is full of distractions. Social media, endless notifications, and constant entertainment can easily consume hours of attention. When this happens repeatedly, people often feel busy but not productive. They feel like their days pass quickly, yet they are not moving closer to their goals. Learning to manage your time does not mean filling every minute with work. It simply means becoming more conscious about how you spend your hours. When you begin to pay attention to your time, you may discover small moments that can be used more meaningfully. For example, you might decide to spend less time scrolling through your phone and more time learning something valuable. You might dedicate a small part of your day to exercise, reading, or planning your goals. These small adjustments can slowly transform the quality of your life. When you respect your time, you also respect your future. Every hour you spend wisely becomes an investment in the person you are becoming. The fourth step is learning to control your thoughts and emotions. Many people believe that their feelings are completely controlled by the events happening around them. They think that happiness, stress, or frustration come only from external situations. However, the way you interpret events often plays a much bigger role in how you feel. Two people can face the same situation and react very differently. One person might see a challenge as a disaster, while another person might see it as an opportunity to grow. Your mind constantly produces thoughts throughout the day. Some thoughts are helpful and encouraging, while others may create fear or negativity. Learning to observe your thoughts instead of immediately believing them is an important step toward emotional balance. When you develop this awareness, you gain the ability to respond to situations more calmly. Instead of reacting impulsively, you can pause, reflect, and choose a more constructive perspective. This does not mean ignoring difficult emotions, but it does mean learning how to manage them more effectively. A peaceful mind allows you to face challenges with greater clarity and strength. When your thoughts become more balanced, your entire experience of life begins to feel lighter and more manageable. The fifth step toward a better life is surrounding yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with can have a powerful impact on your mindset, motivation, and behavior. When you are surrounded by people who encourage growth, kindness, and learning, it becomes easier to develop those qualities yourself. Positive influences can inspire you to improve and remind you of your potential during difficult moments. On the other hand, constant negativity, criticism, or discouragement can slowly drain your energy. This does not mean that you must remove every challenging person from your life, but it does mean being mindful about the environment you create around yourself. Positive influences do not come only from friends or family. They can also come from books, podcasts, educational videos, or mentors who share valuable knowledge and perspectives. When you intentionally fill your mind with constructive ideas, you begin shaping a more positive outlook on life. Human beings naturally absorb the attitudes and behaviors of the environments they live in. By choosing supportive influences, you create a space where personal growth becomes more natural and enjoyable. The sixth and final step to changing your life is practicing gratitude and kindness. Many people spend most of their time focusing on what is missing from their lives. They think about the goals they have not achieved, the opportunities they wish they had, or the problems they are currently facing. While it is important to pursue improvement, constantly focusing on what is lacking can create a feeling of dissatisfaction. Gratitude helps shift your attention toward the positive aspects of your life that already exist. When you regularly reflect on the things you appreciate, such as supportive relationships, learning opportunities, or simple daily comforts, your perspective begins to change. Gratitude does not remove challenges from life, but it does help balance your mindset. Kindness also plays a powerful role in building a meaningful life. Simple acts of kindness toward others can create positive connections and emotional warmth. Helping someone, offering encouragement, or simply listening with attention can brighten another person's day and strengthen your sense of purpose. When kindness becomes part of your daily behavior, you begin creating an environment of goodwill around you. This not only improves the lives of others but also contributes to your own sense of fulfillment. As you move through 2026, remember that meaningful change rarely happens through sudden transformation. It happens through consistent effort, thoughtful decisions, and a willingness to grow over time. By gaining clarity about your goals, building positive habits, managing your time wisely, strengthening your mindset, surrounding yourself with positive influences, and practicing gratitude and kindness, you can gradually create a life that feels more balanced, purposeful, and fulfilling. Your life is not defined by a single moment or a single decision. It is shaped by the small choices you make every day. Each day gives you another opportunity to learn, improve, and move a little closer to the life you want to build. Change may happen slowly, but every step forward matters. When you continue moving in a positive direction, even small progress can lead to remarkable results over time. The future is not something that simply happens to you. It is something you build through the way you think, the habits you practice, and the actions you take today. And the beautiful truth is that you can begin shaping that future right now. When people think about changing their lives, they often imagine a dramatic transformation. They imagine that one day they will suddenly become more disciplined, more successful, and more confident. But real life rarely works in such a sudden way. Most meaningful changes happen quietly, through small improvements that slowly build over time. Every day gives you a new chance to move a little closer to the life you want. Some days will feel productive and inspiring, while other days may feel slow or difficult. That is a normal part of the journey. What truly matters is not perfection, but persistence. When you continue moving forward, even with small steps, progress eventually becomes visible. It is also important to be patient with yourself during this process. Personal growth takes time. Just like a tree needs months and years to grow strong roots and branches, a better life is built through steady effort and consistent habits. As you move through 2026, remind yourself that you do not need to change everything at once. Focus on improving one habit, one mindset, and one small action at a time. Over weeks and months, these small improvements will begin to shape a stronger and more confident version of yourself. Your journey is unique, and your progress is valuable. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing that a better life is something you can create step by step. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.